So you want to spend some money to upgrade the engine bay as far as looks go on your NC Miata. But you don't really want to spend an arm and a leg. You want to do something easy. You don't want to get your hands dirty. You don't have to break out any tools. And you especially don't want to order the Moroso power steering tank or coolant tank with the fear of posting it on the Facebook groups and get berated by a bunch of people telling you that you wasted your money on something that doesn't do anything. And outside of just putting in a 2.5 engine and painting the valve cover and putting on an intake, some cooling upgrades and all that, what can you do without spending a ton of money to upgrade your engine bay as far as looks go for just a little bit of money? Well, I think I have just the product for you. So this right here is the DaveFab fuse box cover. It's a really nice little piece of aluminum powder coated with the DaveFab logo engraved in the middle. It's nothing big, but if you're looking to just spruce up your engine bay a little bit and you don't really have a lot of tools, but you feel like spending some money on your car, this is a really good price point. I think I picked this up for $45, like shipped and everything, from Miata. These are the DaveFab products. He's got a whole line of engine dress up stuff. Go check out see Miata's channel, Flywheel Films, if you want to see the engine cover install. Really, really cool products. And today we've got the fuse box cover. So really, I mean, it's a really simple piece. It's just a kind of stick-on thing. But by itself, I think it just adds like a little bit of extra character to the engine bay without just all the plastic and things like that, because there's not like a ton of plastic in the Miata's engine bay, unless you have stock air box and the stock battery box and things like that. But mine in particular, really the only plastic thing besides the engine cover is the fuse box cover. And I have the powder coated Track Dog Racing battery kit as well as their ECU relocation kit. So this little piece right here just makes everything a little bit more cohesive. And I think I have a pretty cool idea on how we can make my application look a little bit cooler, at least for me. I think we're gonna do like a red vinyl underneath the DaveFab logo, so it shines through and it will match my valve cover. And I mean, the car is red too, so the car overall will stand out as well. But it's a pretty easy install, and we're gonna do it in just about 5 minutes. Show you how I do it and wrap it up. So get ready to save some money, make your engine bay look cooler, and let's just get started. Installed in just a couple minutes. I'm really glad I did the little red vinyl underlay. I think that just makes it look even more aftermarket, like your fuse box cover as a whole is more aftermarket. So there it is, matches the engine really well. I'm super stoked on that. Something so simple can just add that little bit extra touch to your engine bay. And just like that, you've spent a little bit of money and you've got a little bit of a newer look in your engine bay. Like I said, this is a DaveFab product. They've got things like washer bottle fluid relocation kit stuff, engine covers, fuse box covers, all sorts of things. And definitely check out Miata, because that is where I get a lot of this cosmetic stuff from. And I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little install video. Not too long of a video, so quick, in and out. Easy to do, just like everybody likes. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button. We're getting so close to 10K. I'd really appreciate your subscription and viewership of the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.